Hello everyone, I am Javed Basha, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce, TBI Degree College and PG Center, Huinatagali. In the last classes, we have been discussed about industrial policies and impact of industrial policies on Indian economy. And we also discuss about industrial policy or Indian economic reforms 1991, LPG, and highlights of LPG, how LPG completely changed the Indian economy and scenario of businesses in country, right? And today we are going to discuss about social and cultural environment, how the society and the cultures, values, beliefs we are following, they are impacting on business, how they are controlling the businesses around the world in general, right? So first, So, the first most thing is what you mean by social environment. Correct. Here, social environment of business means all factors which affects business socially. Every business works in a society, so society, different factors like family, education, institutions, and religion affect business, right? So, here we are going to study how these factors are impacting on the performance of an organization or business as a whole, how they are controlling the economic system in country, right? Here normally social environment consists of the sum total of society's beliefs, customs, practices and behaviors, and every society constructed its own social environment. Some of the customs, beliefs, practices and behaviors are similar across culture and some are not. There is an easy example like American traveling to Britain will find many familiar practices but not so much if traveling to China, right? So it means that in around the globe we are finding various culture, ethnicities and religions and different languages spoken across the globe, right? So in India only we could find that there are some 1800 of languages and there are different cultures, right? We always call our country, it is a unity of all the religions and communities, right? So here social environment is very important factor and it is majorly impacting on the business and economy of the country. So the social environment created by a society at large in which business functions can be referred to as its external social environment, right? The social external environment is even more complicated when a business operates in a multicultural society because the environment will consist of diverse subpopulations with their own unique values, beliefs, and customs. Correct? And a business also has its own environment, its own social environment, which we can call it internal social environment, which is simply the customs, beliefs, practices, and behaviors within the confines of the business. Right? It is known fact that the business has much more control over its internal social environment than does its external social environment. Right? Though here the external social environment is something which is not in the control of any company or any government. Okay, it is the followed by the society at large, and it becomes a tradition. Correct. From various centuries we are following it. Various generations we are following it. Hence, it is very difficult to manage the external social environment, right? But an organization can control, can manage its so internal social environment. Here, internal social environment refers to the people's beliefs, customs, practices, and behavior within the office or within the confines of business. Hence, which can be easily manageable for any organization by adopting a good organization culture, practices, correct? Hence, and so this is the introduction of social environment, how it works internally and externally, how it works, right? Then next, important aspects are social institutions, right? What do you mean by social institutions? Social institutions is nothing but a group of people, a group of people, a group of people united by common interest, endowed by material equipment, following rules of their traditions or agreement and contributing to the work of culture as a whole, right? Otherwise, institutions are system of social relationships for meeting various felt human needs, right? Social institutions are system of social relationships for meeting various felt human needs. Here, social institutions include family, community, correct? There are community, health, uh, educational institutions. So these are some of examples of social institutions, right? Here, what are the basic functions of social institution? Correct. Social institutions plays vital role in replacement of members in society, and also they play major roles in recruiting the and guiding the new members, and also they play major roles in production, disbursement, consumption of goods and services, preservation of goods and services, and creating awareness and establishing a sense of purpose, right? So here, social institutions we can classify as family, education, religion, economy, politics and government, etc., etc. Guys, here there are some examples of social institutions like community. Community is also one of the social institutions. Like community is nothing but a group of people in the same area under the same government. Correct. Here, community means a group of people in the same area and under the same government. Examples are cities, company towns, metropolis, military ports, municipalities, suburbs, towns, townships, villages, right? So these are few examples. And communities are also group of people that share common attitude or interest, right? Community is also Community is also a group of people that share common attitude or interest. Example are communes, convent, gated community, LGBT community, professional learning communities, retirement communities, senior living communities. So these are few examples for community, like a group of people that share common attitudes or interests, right? So apart from this, community service organizations are also social institutions. Examples like boys club, boy scouts, girls club, girl scouts, rotary clubs, soup kitchens, etc. And when it comes to educational institutions teach skill and knowledge to individuals. Educational institutions are teaching the skills and knowledge to individuals. Examples like colleges, graduate schools, junior colleges, school districts, trade schools, universities. These are the examples for the educational institutions. Correct. So, ethnic and cultural groups. Right. Ethnic or cultural groups are social institutions that include a group of extended family groups related by a distant common ancestry, right? Ethnic or cultural groups are social institutions that include a group of extended family groups related by a distant common ancestry. Examples are Asians, Canadians, Pacific Islander, Negroes. These are few examples, correct? And when it comes to families, an extended family is a social organization with several generations or several nuclear family groups, and also families and households are usually parents and children living under the same roof, considered as families, correct? And when it comes to government and legal institutions are also social institutions. Example: army, navy, state legislatures, air force, etc. So these are few social institutions, government and legal institutions, right? And when it comes to healthcare, we have doctor's office, clinics, hospitals, These are few of the social institutions with respect to healthcare. When it comes to justice system, we have appeal courts, district attorneys, district courts, federal courts, judges, lawyers, state courts, traffic court, right? So these are related to justice system. And when it comes to markets, market institutions cover the industry that buys and sells goods. Example, banks, business, corporations, credit unions, insurance companies, limited partnerships, stock market, trust companies. Okay, these are example for market institutions. When it comes to mass media institutions, books, cartridges, cassettes, CDs, DVDs, internet, mobile phones, movies, magazines, newspapers, pamphlets, radio, television. So these are comes under the media, mass media, social institutions. Correct. When it comes to political institutions, like the social institution influence the process of government, such as political parties. Example, democratic parties, conservative parties, independence parties. Apart from that, in India we saw that like BSP, Congress, BJP, JDS. These are some few of the political parties, right? When it comes to religious organization, okay, these are group of people that have similar beliefs in the existence of God. Correct. Here, religious organizations are group of people that have similar beliefs in the existence of God, like Buddhist organization, church, Hindu organizations, Jewish organizations, mosques. Correct. These are few of the examples. Okay. So these are the social institutions which are impacting on the social business environment, right? So in the next session we will be discussing about social values and attitudes. Thank you, class.